Common snapping turtle. A snake-like head and powerful jaws that have a strong bite force are its distinctive characteristics. The average weight is 10 to 35 pounds. Common snapping turtles live in shallow streams or ponds with lots of vegetation. You will often see them burrowing in the mud with just their head protruding. Garden snail. Though its body is soft and slimy, the garden snail has quite a beautiful shell, varying in color and shade but having a pattern of flecks, streaks, and colorful bands. The snail has no eyes but tentacles that act as sensors. King crab. King crabs are brown to bluish-red. They have 3 pairs of legs, 1 pair of claws, and sharp spines all over their shell. Molting will occur on a regular basis so the crab can grow. This leaves it vulnerable to predators like octopus, codfish, and even other king crabs. Their diet consists of smaller crabs, worms, mussels, and sand dollars. 9-banded armadillo. Armadillo means little armored one in Spanish. The people of South America gave the animal this name due to its leathery shell that looks a bit like medieval armor. The armadillo has the distinction of being the only mammal with a shell. Giant clam. Thanks to the algae that live on them, the giant clam has a colorful shell of blue, pink, and green tones. They live among coral, and once they secure themselves on a reef, they will stay there the rest of their lives. Hermit crab. The hermit crab is a crustacean related to crabs, lobsters, and shrimp. They are the only shelled animals that cannot make their own shell. Having a soft exoskeleton that needs protection, they will seek out shells to live in. These are usually empty snail, whelk, or periwinkle shells. Gopher tortoise. Gopher tortoises live in the southern United States. They make their homes in grasslands and flatwoods. This tortoise will grow to be between 7 to 19 inches long. They are called gophers because of their ability to dig large, deep holes up to 40 feet deep. Grass and berries make up most of their diet, but they have also been known to eat sand, shells, and charcoal. Wood tick. Often thought of as an insect, the tick species is part of the arachnid animal family. The wood tick is found all over the United States. This particular tick is famous for carrying a life-threatening disease called Rocky Mountain spotted fever. The disease is spread to both animals and humans when the tick burrows under the skin to suck on a host's blood. Lobster. The northern lobster, also known as the Maine lobster, can be found in the waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. These crustaceans live on the floor of the ocean. They will burrow into rock crevices to hide from eels, seals, and various fish that hunt them for food.